Here's the option that YouTube creators have. When you go into Google AdSense, you go into blocking controls, YouTube host. Now you have the choice of going through these different categories with regard to what to block. You can be very specific and choose an URL. There are already a list of sensitive categories. So politics, reference to sex, and then I'd heard some things about some video game commercials that were totally inappropriate, video games for mature audiences, but it was on this family video being advertised. You can go back, and there are also general categories. It would be easy to go in and just block like the entire apparel category, but actually you can go in and you can be more specific, get to a subcategory, then continuing on, clicking on another subcategory. And I know for a fact, yeah, I want underwear blocked. I probably want sleepwear blocked. What this is going to allow me to do is to help try to safeguard my YouTube channel so that parents out there are not going to be shocked by the ads that show up on my channel.